Hi, it's Imogen Lamport from Inside Out Style coming to answer your colour and style questions today in my lucky dip. How to find the right balance of clothing for my varied life. So home, cleaning, yard maintenance to going out to the shops. I like to dress nicely, but I'm getting changed 3 times a day. And this is very common, and I think when you're doing particular things like yard work and stuff like that, what I would recommend is kind of maybe choose a time, maybe it's first thing in the morning to do that sort of, dirty work, or do it at the end of the day where you might go, I often just go, for me, I just put on my sportswear, my leggings and t-shirts, or stuff that's very easy to be washed. It's very comfortable for doing that sort of stuff, but it allows me that freedom of movement to do the kind of the bending over and all that sort of stuff. And then when I'm finished, maybe I might have got a bit dirty, especially I've been making some dust. I might want to have a shower and then get dressed into my more casual clothes. Now, if you are doing real kind of dirty gardening or really heavy cleaning, you might need to get changed. Maybe those 2 sets of clothes aren't the same, but do you have to do that all day, every day? I don't know. I think most places like just, one deep clean a week and then a surface clean the rest of the week is enough. So you don't need to be in those clothes every day. So just thinking about, kind of like what works too. This is where a pair of jeans is such a great staple, because you can be wearing them, out to the shops, but also they do work fine for getting around the house and doing your home cleaning and things like that. And then just also thinking about, I'm always looking for, even if it's a t-shirt, can you find something in a pattern or something that you really love? It looks a little bit dressy, even if it is something that you can just throw in the washing machine and the tumble dryer, and it's really easy. So rather than wearing your, precious silk or your fancier things, thinking about having some, kind of t-shirts and stuff that you really love, that fit well, that looks smart, but maybe can be worn in a more kind of industrial way. And I think this is too where sometimes it could be, I can wear this, otherwise my jeans and my t-shirt, and then when I go out to the shops, maybe just throw in a scarf or something that just adds that little bit of extra something. It adds that focal point. It adds that, I've accessorized and I've thought about what I'm wearing without having to have it on all day. That is something else to think about. Or just then you throw a little jacket over the top or something that kind of just dresses it up a little bit. So it could just be, around the house, you might want to wear a cardigan, and then you're going out, you just swap that cardigan out for a jacket. So you're not having to get changed as a whole. But there is no, if you don't want to mess up your dirty clothes when you're cleaning, like doing heavy cleaning or gardening, then you are going to have to get changed. There is no one other way about it. And this is why you might want to think about how you break up your day, rather than doing a bit of the going out in fancy clothes, coming back and getting changed, then having to get changed again. It's like, well, how do I actually spend my time? Can I break it up in a way so I just have to get changed once in the day? So hopefully those tips have helped you today. Thank you for them. There's lots of blog posts too that I've got on lots of these topics already. So please do head over to the blog. Just type into the search bar what you're after, just a couple of words, and you'll be amazed at how much you'll find there about, how to flatter your body, how to look for clothes that are going to work for you, and even things like creating focal points and even I've got lots of casual outfit ideas as well. So if you just put casual outfit in there, that might give you ideas, and you might be able to come up with something that you think works for you and your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.